Hi, I'm Dr. Adatone Musa.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hussein Musa,
Welcome to Healing Talks with Kingdom Docs.
and we're excited to announce our new program at Kingdom Healing Institute. As your Kingdom Doctors, we also want to serve as your health transformation guide. A health transformation guide breaks barriers that are causing disease to help you live a life of freedom.
Absolutely. And some of these barriers we have previously discussed include fear and also just a poor sense of identity and self, a lacking of self-love, and all of the things that come with that. Sometimes you need intentionality, you need confidence, and you need assistance in breaking these barriers or these negative mindsets. And that is where a health transformation guide comes in.
Yes, and as physicians, we've walked with many patients in their health journey. We've seen patients with really difficult diagnoses, and we manage patients who still are working on their own personal health journey. And what we've learned in our years is that it isn't always the medicine. It's not always the doctor. It's not always the surgery that leads to healing. A lot of it has to deal with the patient.
Right, and so we have a very holistic perspective that sometimes God may work through surgeries and medications or other complementary and alternative therapies. And other times it is really just going through these mindsets, and we take all of that into account. We don't focus on one thing.
Yes, and worry is something that can really limit your ability to believe the best, to believe that God has the best for you, that He has plans to prosper you for a hope and a future. And when your mindset is fixed on negative things, you can actually make that a reality. And as your health transformation guide, we're going to help you change your mindset so that you can believe the good things that God has for you.
Absolutely.
And really, it's not just for the patient. Most people, when you're dealing with a serious diagnosis, you're not walking alone. There's family members, there's children, there's spouses, there's grandparents, there's aunts, there's uncles. There's so many people who can be affected by one health diagnosis.
Yes, and I can speak to that as well, again, both personally and with experience as a physician. If, for instance, with any neurological disorder, or at least most of them, it can mean that the prognosis is poor, that there is no cure, and it can really get you into a worry cycle. But it's not just the patient, it can be the spouse, it can be the mother or the father or the sibling. And then they're also feeding into that worry as well.
Yes, I'm Dr. Hussein Musa.
I'm Dr. Adatone Musa.
And this is Healing Talks with Kingdom Docs.
We are discussing how we want to be your health transformation guide to help break barriers that are preventing you from leading a healthy life.
And we talked about how worry and disease affects not just a patient, but family members. You don't go through an illness alone, especially a serious one. So many people are affected. And being a physician, I've seen what the health journey can look like. It can look like very frustrated family members who don't understand what the doctor is saying, patients who don't understand what the doctor is saying, whole teams of doctors who aren't talking to each other, and family members who don't understand the complete prognosis of your illness. And overall, that leads to worry, anxiety, because everybody's confused. With the Health Transformation Guide, as a physician, one, we can help you with your mindset, but two, we can help you understand the medical journey and what it's going to look like, so you're not going to be blindsided by all the jargon, all the tests. It's something that we can help you with to help reduce that stress in an already stressful situation.
Absolutely. It really helps you and your family members fill in the blanks with regards to your health, your diagnosis, and what the plan is in a positive environment. Well, thank you so much for joining us on Healing Talks with Kingdom Docs.
If you liked what you heard, or if you would like us to be your health transformation guides, please visit us at kingdomdocs.com to schedule a consult, and also just leave a message. We'll be happy to hear from you, and you can see all of our videos and radio shows at kingdomdocs.com.
God bless you. Bye-bye.